Notre antépénultième talk today pour le Ignite, Alexandre-Xavier Labonté-Lamoureux, Nix, the Declarative Package Manager.
If you open the slide and put full screen, it's going to play automatically. Perfect. There you go. Good. Hi everyone, my name is Alexandre-Xavier, and today I want to share with you my experience I had using the Nix Package Manager for the last 2 years. It's been very helpful to me in many cases where I had to develop software. So what is Nix? Nix is a declarative package manager in contrast to an imperative package manager. So you're going to declare the package that you want to install in a file rather than typing them on the command line to install them. So it can run on any Unix system, including Mac and Linux, of course, and FreeBSD. It will even work on ARM and Apple Silicon machines. The big feature is it supports version pinning. And so if you install a dependency, you can ensure the same version is going to be installed on everyone using your configuration file. It also has its own operating system. So Nix is 100% reproducible if you copied your configuration file to another computer, and it also has more packages than any other package manager out there. It's also very secure. And so the first case where I found it very helpful is when I needed to connect to a database on AWS, but it used a version that was newer than what I had available as a package in my Ubuntu installed. So I installed the Nix Package Manager, which is very easy, and I installed the the exact Postgres version that I needed. You can install any version, and they can all live at the same time on your machine. A second time is when I was collaborating with many other people on open source projects, and we all had different systems. So every system has different packages, so it's a mess. And so instead, we use a feature of Nix called Nix Flakes. And that's a file where you declare all the packages that you're going to need. You can put some scripts inside it. And with dev env, when you cd to a directory, it's going to set up the project for you automatically. So this is an example of a flake file. In the first part, I'm installing specific packages that I need, so a specific Erlang version. I'm setting my database, even running a script to bootstrap my database. Then I set some environment variables, some packages that are specific to people running Linux or Mac, and then I set up some aliases so everyone who develops on my project has the same ones. A third case where I found it very helpful is when I saw people doing wget to install some files inside their Docker containers. And I found, as a security person, I don't like this. I find this very dangerous because the problem is when you're going to generate a SBOM to know what's in your Docker file or your Docker image, the SBOM generator is not going to see them. And I don't understand people do that because some packages are not available on their distro. But Nix has about 90,000 packages available, so it's very unlikely that you're not going to find the packages that you need. You can even have private registries. And so even if Nix has all the maintainers of Ubuntu, it has almost triple the number of packages available, and it also has the least number of vulnerable packages in their package registry. And so for the solution for the Docker file, all I need to do is load my Nix Flake file inside my Docker file. I can use this Docker file everywhere for any project that uses Nix Flake. And it's going to be the Docker file from my Nix Flake. There's also the Nix OS distribution that I personally use on my home lab, so I can save my configuration to Git and very rapidly recreate my system if my computer breaks. So this is a demo where I installed Kubernetes. So I installed the K3s packages. I enable the K3s service, and then I rebuild the state of my system. So this is 10 years old hardware, so it's taking a bit of time. But it's going to start the Kubernetes service, and I'm going to install Hello World, and then run a nice snake game to show you all how fast I got it working. And so here are some helpful links. The Nix community is very friendly to beginners, so I encourage you to join us, and join us on Discord. Contact me on the LinkedIn if you want more info, or just talk to me while I'm at the conference. Thank you, everyone.
Let's go. Merci Alexandre. Good job. Good job. Good job.